All right, today we're going to be talking about how you can count unique values in Excel. So there are a lot of business applications that you can apply this to, but in today's example, we just have a list of random colors and we want to know how many unique colors are in this long list. Now, if we select the first cell in our list that we're trying to count, and I hit Control Shift down arrow, it's going to highlight the entire list of values for me until the first blank. Now we can see that there are 46 different colors listed here, but we can see that a lot repeat. We can see that red is here once, twice, 3, 4 times, and so on. So we want to know the amount of unique colors in this list. So there's a formula that you can use to determine that. Click where you want to place your formula and type equals. Then type count, and you're going to want to select count A. Now there are a ton of different count functions here, but we just want count A. And then what we're going to want to do is within that formula, type another formula called unique. Now the unique formula is just going to ask us for an array that we want to choose. And in this case, we want to just choose this entire list of colors. So we can select the first cell, hit Control Shift down arrow to highlight that entire range of cells. And then we can end parenthesis, and when we hit enter, it's going to display the amount of unique colors we have in that list. In this case, there are 12 unique colors listed out of the 46. But there you go. That's all there is to it. That's how you can count unique values in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.